Ralph Waldo Emerson said, "It's not the destination, it's the journey." I totally agree with that, so I try to make our journeys interesting by adding some unique stops.
We are at Kazoobie Kazoos, and we came here for the kazoo factory tour and learned about the history of kazoos and got to make our own kazoos. It was very exciting.
First, let me tell you the basics. Kazoobie Kazoos is a business. They are making products to sell, and they have a shop you can buy them. It's free to visit the museum and gift shop, but if you want to take the tour, it will cost $5 to $7 per person. The tour guide starts the tour by giving you the history of the kazoo and showing you a brief video of how kazoos are molded. We followed our wonderful guide and the painted line on the floor to the manufacturing area. The activities that take place here include assembly, labeling, and packaging. I'll be honest, when I read Kazoo Factory Tour on the Roadside America website, I thought we were going to get to see an actual factory. But apparently the molding facility is a building full of heat, dangerous equipment, and toxic fumes. So it's probably a good thing I was wrong. That would not have been child-friendly. The resonator is what makes the unique kazoo sound possible. Without it, you would just be blowing a lot of hot air. Believe it or not, your basic kazoo has only 3 parts: the body, a resonator, and a cap.
And we can all sit here and watch Miss Sarah. We gotta call her the Flash. Give her a sign.
We couldn't have asked for a better tour guide. She was very informative and knew how to keep both young and old engaged. Both of our kiddos loved to get involved in any kind of demonstration. Whenever it was safe, our guide was sure to pull them into the action. Kazoobie Kazoos was a great stop for many reasons. The girl loves going on any kind of tour. The boy loves music and all kinds of noise. Dad was happy that this tour was inside in the air conditioning. And I really liked the price. Since both kids are on the autism spectrum, long hours in the car often lead to massive meltdowns. So finding stops on our trips is a must. And finding a stop that everybody really enjoys is awesome. The last part of the tour was the part everyone had been waiting for. We each got to make our own kazoo. Picked out the parts and everything. If you're in the Charleston or Hilton Head area, be sure to put Kazoobie Kazoos on your must-visit list.